in this thing today. We got a big horsepower GLI, and we gonna go on a ride. This thing's done up, cams, it got everything. So it's gonna be probably scary. So do me a favor, give them a rundown, give people a rundown who's watching what the car is.
The setup is it's a 180 Volkswagen. We go right or left here.
We are going left. Oh, hold on, let me get this. Do this too.
Yeah, so 180 fully built.
180 fully built.
Yeah, we got cams, pistons, rods, all off the part shelf stuff that you can get. 6266 turbine.
Okay.
Oh, we got a dog on the loose over here.
Yeah. Anyways,
we're going right.
Yeah, go right. 6266.
So yeah, 6266 with a .883 back housing.
Right.
Car made 650 to the wheel on dyno a couple months ago.
Okay.
Go right.
Go right. Make it right and just get up on the.
And right now we got AC in this thing, so that's the beauty of the car is that, bro, I got a fast car and we're sitting here in cold AC. About to turn that AC off right now, and we're about
in Sunnyside, Florida.
Go for a rip.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'll do it. I'll hold it like this.
Yeah, this is nice cam. Here's a little third gear.
It's gonna be weird to hold my hand all the way up. That thing pulls, boy.
Break up a little.
That thing pulls.
Yeah, bro, but she's back.
That thing pulls
back,
hard, bro.
Boy. She's back.
That thing like starts getting up.
She's back.
Yo, that thing starts getting up. I like it, and it sounds amazing. You know, this is a great sounding car. Like the 180, by far my hands down favorite. Volkswagen 4-cylinder engine, hands down the best sounding. I don't care what anybody says.
Sure.
When they are done up, there's no beating that sound. It almost sounds like a Honda in a sense, and I love that Honda sound, like with big cams and everything. So yeah, man. No, that was fast. We're gonna get another pull though in a second.
Bro, I'm so excited it's back, bro. It feels amazing. The car is like, yo.
I won't be able. Let me check it and see the angle of this.
Back to the AC.
Yeah, you feel it right away. It looks stupid with a head cam on, but yeah. I could just hold it like forward and back like this.
Yeah. With your pull.
That's fast. What do we get up to?
150.
150? Bro.
No, chill out. 150.
Dang, bro. That thing's moving.
Yeah.
That thing's fluid. Once you get to, sorted out dyno and all that stuff,
Oh, for sure.
then it'll be, oh my goodness. Yeah, it pulls. It doesn't have like crazy torque, but it just starts like picking up and going. Yeah, real hard. Yeah, definitely. I think I rode in.
What do you give it, Ty? 1 out of 10.
Oh, 10, definitely. 10, definitely. I've rode in, personally, I've rode in a supercharged Mustang, E85, I think it was like Whipple or something like that. And, make it right. And supposedly make it 800. But he didn't step in it nowhere near as long, but it didn't feel like, it's crazy, so, I don't know. It's just when you get up to that, that's the one thing, when you get up to those speeds, that's when it starts feeling like,
Oh, for
but
sure.
it's like that at first is not all that crazy, but no, that thing,
She moves.
oh yeah,
bro. Some 180s never lose.
right.
No tire.
Yeah, spin it over. Shoot, boy. What do y'all think, y'all? What do you think? What you think of the 118? Make it right here. What did you think?
Comment, subscribe,
Yes.
share.
Even
Run it
now,
up.
right now. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.